How to find phone contacts on Facebook. First of all, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on these three horizontal lines right here. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Head over to Settings. Once again, scroll down and in the section of Permissions, you will get to see the option of Upload Contacts. Tap on it. It will land you on this interface. Right here, all you gotta do is enable this Continuous Contacts Upload. Once you have enabled that option, tap on Get Started. Click on Allow. It will start to sync your contacts on Facebook. You need to wait for a while. There you go, it will show you tons of Facebook accounts. These are the people of your contacts who are not friends on Facebook. You can tap on Add Friends if you want to add them on your Facebook account. If not, you can also tap on Remove. So this was the process by which you can easily find the phone contacts on Facebook. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.